This video is all about the review of SteelSeries Arctis 7, so stay tuned. One of the easiest things about this headphone is that it's super easy to connect it with your PC. The only thing that you need to do is take these headphones out of the box, and then you will also see this kind of dongle that comes with it. By default, this dongle is already paired with your headphones. So all you need to do is plug this into the PC and turn the power button on. The moment you turn it on, you will hear a beeping noise indicating that these headphones are turned on and they are ready to go. Now, if you look on the left side, you will see the microphone that is retractable. So basically you can turn it inside. And if you want to keep it out, you can keep it out and then move it according to your mouth or like according to the orientation that you want for the voice adjustments. On the left side, you also have these volume indicators where you can change the volume, and it's a scroll wheel, which I find better than the buttons because while pressing the buttons, you can actually miss them out and then that can create an issue. Then right above that, you have a mute switch. You have to press it and then you will mute your microphone. Unpressing it unmutes the microphone. Now, talking about the charging facility that you get in these headphones, you are getting a port that is not Type-C. You get a micro USB port. So the micro USB cable is also shipped along with the box. You just have to be sure that you carry that extra cable along with you whenever you want to charge these, else it's gonna be difficult because now mostly all things have shifted to Type-C. And that's one thing that makes me feel a bit outdated on these headphones. Nevertheless, the battery backup is good, so you would not have that issue. Now on the right side of the headphone, things are a bit different. You don't have much controls. You only have a power button that you have to press and hold, and you have a light indicator on it. And on top of it, there is a wheel which you can toggle between the game noise and chat noise in case you are streaming or in case you are talking with someone while gaming. So these are all the controls that you have on the headphones. The mic is retractable, and if in case you are pressing the mute switch, there is a red light that indicates around the microphone that it's turned off. Now talking about the comfort of these headphones are not uncomfortable. I have tried a couple of headphones and usually my ear starts hurting or like my head does not take them nicely because of the weight distribution and all. But these headphones are quite nice in those kind of aspects. They are comfortable, they don't mute outside noise that much. Now talking about the gaming experience of these headphones. So gaming experience is quite good. Usually what happens with the Bluetooth headphones are that there is always an audio delay that you will find. In these ones, since these comes with a dongle, you don't have that, literally nothing. You will almost feel as if it's a wired headphones because the reaction time is instantly. Even if you're watching or streaming any audio, or if you're on calls with someone else, the audio quality is really nice and there is no latency whatsoever. The range of these headphones are quite good as well, because right now I'm in a house which is quite big. I just put them on, play the media and walk around the entire house without having any disruptions in the audio signals, even though there are thick walls right in between each room. So that's also really nice. Now, if you are also a person who likes to constantly switch between PC to mobile gaming and then back to PC for streaming, or like if you also want to use these on your mobile phones, since these do not have Bluetooth, you cannot really pair them. That's the reason why you get a audio cable right with these headphones shipped. So it's like a micro USB to 315mm audio jack. So if your phone has that jack still present, you can insert them on, and then you can even use these headphones with your mobile phones to either play games, to attend calls, or to watch something that you like. The downside to that is that it's not wireless connection, it's still wired, so you will have to bear that wire. But nevertheless, the sound quality and everything else makes it up to you, and these headphones are basically primarily for PC, but you can always extend its use to other devices as well. So this was my review of SteelSeries Arctis 7. If in case you liked it, press that like button, and if you want to join the family, press and subscribe as well. If you have any other questions, you can comment in the comment section below, and I'll leave the link of where you can buy these in the description section below. So make sure you check that out as well. And I'll be catching you guys later in another video. Until then, take care.
The searching class Star Destroyer. Join a squad of 4 players. Okay, let me see. I'm going as specialist, as always.